good people. Let me cover up this freaking bald spot on my head. This postpartum hair loss is like getting to me. But I'm up. I'm so exhausted. I've been pretty much awake since like 4 this morning. On and off. I tried to like doze back off, but then Flame got up, and then not long after my baby got up, and I tried to doze back off after he had gotten up, but when he took the dogs out, they were being ridiculously loud. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm really tired, but I have to get up and do some things around the house. There's a sink full of dishes in front of me and it stinks, so I don't know what that's about, but I'm about to unload the dishwasher, do the dishes, while she's down for her morning nap. She gave me hell going down for her nap because she woke up earlier than usual because the dogs were being loud. So I don't know, I'm trying to figure out a balance with that because it's hard for her to get sleep because the dogs are always making noise. So she'll be overtired and cranky, and it's just, I don't know. And we have a white noise machine that I keep with the volume all the way up, which I don't really like doing because I don't want to alter her eardrums so early. But if I don't, then you'll be able to hear any and everything that the dogs do, and she already hears them over the white noise machine. So I don't know, you guys. But there's stuff in the dishwasher that I'm about to take out, and some of the stuff that's in the dishwasher I'm going to go ahead and use because I also need to meal prep some more stuff while I'm cleaning. So hopefully I can do like 3 things at one time: unload the dishwasher, wash dishes, and meal prep. So yeah, I don't know if you guys are going to see this before or after my postpartum update. Probably before, I don't really know, but like this is one of the things where I wish I really had help. Like if I had somebody here to do this while I, you know, put her to sleep or whatever, that would have been so much help. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this stuff. I'll probably do like the little montage thing over, and it would be so nice if I had somebody to come over and clean my downstairs bathroom because it is, I mean, I don't even go in there. It's the most disgusting thing that I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, if I had somebody to do that, because right now I'm holding it because I just put her down and I don't want to wake her up going to the bathroom upstairs. So yeah, I really have to pee, but I'm going to try to hold it. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started on this stuff, y'all. Stop. No. Fucking no. No. Stop. Damn it. As you guys can see, I got pretty much nothing done. Nothing. Because I just woke my baby up. Like, it hasn't even been 30 minutes, y'all. It hasn't even been 30 minutes. I'm looking at the time. It's only been 20 minutes. Here we go. So I tried to put my best girl back down for a nap. She's not going for that shit. So she's just up and cranky. So I had to wash my chicken by hand because my bowl that I would normally clean it in is dirty. So yeah, went ahead and laid the chicken out, seasoned it, and the oven had already preheated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Alright, chicken's in. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this and let it cook for about 40 minutes, look like 30 minutes, and then turn it and let it cook for 30 more. Alright, y'all, it is 10:36. I just got my girl back down for a nap. It was so not easy, okay? She definitely put up a fight, but I got her back down for a nap. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I'm gonna try to wash some of these dishes up. I went ahead and switched, well, turned the chicken. I'm gonna get some of these dishes washed and clean the potatoes and get the potatoes in. Hopefully, that's the plan before she wakes up again. Hopefully, she can stay asleep for at least an hour. I hope, y'all. I hope. But with these dogs, specifically Hawk, it's always so hard. Like, she wakes up, so we'll see. We'll see. It's 10:51. So this is what I have left. This is what I've got in the dishwasher. Let's check on the chicken. Chicken's about done. I would turn the oven off and just let it sit, but I need the oven to stay preheated for the potatoes, so. Alright, y'all. She's back down. It is 11:35. I just washed my hands. Let's wash these potatoes and get them in the oven. Stop it. Stop it. These are the smallest roasted potatoes ever. And when you get a 10-pound bag, I'm just going to use all of them. Or as many as I can fit on this cooking sheet. This really makes me want to like let some of them sprout and cleanse them, but I don't know where to put them. Jay, no. I'm just going to use a knife to poke holes because I don't have a clean fork, so I'm just going to. While that's going, I'm going to do some corn and some dinner. To go ahead and prep my smoothie and just put it in the freezer, and then that way whenever she wakes up I can just come out here and blend it up. While we're still getting stuff together and still got some time, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my pump parts and get them going in the sterilizer. Hopefully we can get that done. So as long as we got time, we're gonna be trying to get stuff done.